In the box, 8-outlet surge protector power strip with max. Electrical ratings 15A, 120V, 1800W and 4500 Joule energy rating. Surge protection. Keeps devices safe from potentially damaging power surges. Fireproof MOV technology offers added protection against surges and spikes. LED indicator. Green LED light at one end indicates active surge protection and grounded wiring for all outlets. On-off switch. Power on-off switch integrates with a 15-amp overload resettable circuit breaker. User-friendly design. Widely spaced outlets with sliding covers and back keyhole for optional wall mounting. Heavy-duty cord. Sturdy, 6-foot power cord with 3-prong plug. Top reviews from the United States. Amazon Basics has the best power strip. I am an electrical engineer for 2 decades. My opinion is based on my own experience. Whether you're just looking to add more outlets, or want to add a layer of protection between your gear and the outside world, you'll eventually want to buy a power strip with surge protection. With an incredible range of prices and features, not to mention a barrage of questionable marketing promises, it's hard to figure out what's worth the money and what's nonsense. Power strips and surge protectors, also called surge suppressors, and they are different. Typically, power strips are cheap, multi-outlet products that are merely an expansion of a wall outlet. These usually have a circuit breaker, on-off switch, of some sort, but most don't offer any real protection from electrical issues. Some might have the barest level of protection, but they're all pretty much just like plugging into the wall direct.